ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 77, Line Column Charts. More than one data set can be represented on one chart to show a comparison of information. If required, each set of data on the chart can be shown in a different form. For example, one set as columns and another set as a line. This is a line column chart. If the two sets of data are for different types of data, for example temperature and rainfall, each set can have a different vertical axis. So, let's open the workbook Climate. This spreadsheet shows the rainfall and temperature for each month of the year in various cities. To plot London's rainfall and temperature on a single chart, highlight the range of cells A4 to C16, as this contains all the necessary labels and data. Then display the Insert tab. We want to click the Combo button. If you can't find it, then go for the down arrow just next to Insert Column or Bar Chart, More Column Charts, and then at the bottom of the list on the left-hand side you'll find Combo. In the Charts group, we want a clustered column line on secondary axis. That will be the second option from the left, and then press OK. We actually want to place the chart on a separate sheet, so we want to move the chart. While the chart is selected, right-click, Move Chart. We want a new chart and we want it to be called Chart 1. This now places the chart in a separate worksheet. As can be seen, a legend is added automatically. Let's change chart title to London Weather. The horizontal axis title to Month. The left vertical axis to Rainfall in centimetres. And finally, the right vertical axis to temperature in centigrade. Okay, that's as far as we're going for this lesson, so please save the workbook as Climate 2 because we're going to be using it at a later date, and then close it. Okay, I hope this has been of use to you, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be discussing adding images to charts. Okay, looking forward to seeing you then.